Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We are in for an explosive morning this morning. Everything you know about stocks and shares is going out of the window today. Yes, it is. I'm going to get straight into it. We are exploding across the platform. We are breaking all-time records. We're at 55,800 now, about to break records. Let me get straight into the charts without further ado. This is an incredible morning. Here we are live now with my portfolio. Tesla, as you can see, we're just pumping huge now, and it's all coming from Rivian. In the pre-market, we're up 10%. Absolutely insane. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. And let's get a record today and give us a thumbs up. This is a very short video today. We're only going to be live for 10 minutes. No, 15 minutes. Okay, it's a 15-minute video. Then we're taking a break. We have to look at some serious numbers here today. And we are back at 12 p.m. Central Time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And then we'll be here all the way through the day. There's going to be no closing bell today. We're going to come back at 12 o'clock and be with you all day. Because what's happening now with Rivian and Tesla is absolutely insane. This is Rivian now up 10% on the pre-market. Lucid is up 11% on the pre-market. Everything about the stocks and shares now is breaking all rules of trading. People are investing now 20 years into the future of these stock prices. It's great. I'm all in. You know, I'm the most bullish person in the world when it comes to EVs. I'm all in on it. It's the biggest part of my portfolio. But guys, fear of missing out has gone absolutely over the top ridiculous. It's like someone saying, would you buy a Ferrari from me? It's a collector's car. It's worth $1 million. But in 20 years' time, it might be worth $10 million. Would you pay $10 million for it? It's absolutely insane. Mark Conti live in the show. We're going to put you on the screen. There you are. Welcome. Good morning from Cleveland. Let's rip Rivian. It's absolutely insane what's going on right now. Dave Mottram, I wonder how I'm going to be down. How much I'm going to be down today. Hey, Joshua James has just joined us. Bill just joined us. Come into the live chat. If you're just here, smash the like button. This is a very brief video. It's a live recording of a video that I'm making about Rivian and Lucid. It's only a 15-minute video. Stick to the end. See if we purchase get back into Rivian. I'll be back at 12 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, all day trading, okay? That's what we're going to be doing. But this morning, we're just here 15 minutes because we're going to reassess the rules of the stock market. Everything about everything is changing this morning. This is absolutely insane. What you could do today is sell these pops. Now, I've already traded my Rivian out. I'm still in with Lucid. Because, you know, Lucid is, again, growing extremely quickly, but, you know, I want to stay in it. It's a much different stock price. Rivian, on the other hand, is absolutely ridiculous. I love it. I love what they're doing. It's not about trucks. It's about Amazon. But hey, guys, seriously, let's get real. People are very greedy and people are very much fear of missing out. Nobody wants to miss out. I understand that. But like I said, would you pay 20 times, 30 times, 40 times for something, the value of something? Yeah, of course it's going to grow into its value, but not this value. It might take 20 years to get there. It's absolutely ridiculous. So, you know, there's going to be some huge dumps. Now, I know it's very, very tempting. You're thinking, hey, I'm going to buy in, but there's got to come a time. There's got to come a time because people are going to be like hanging over a cliff, looking down a chasm of a cliff and going, oh my God, it's a long way down. It's a long way down on this cliff. Do I sell? And people will. We had a bit of a drop yesterday. Do you see it on the screen there? You can see it. I'm just showing you there. We had a bit of a drop yesterday, and it dropped. People bought back in again because it didn't keep going down. But all of a sudden, it is going to keep going down. And when it does, make sure you've sold out. Make sure you've sold out. And that's what I've done. I've taken my money. Of course, I wished I was still in it. But if I was in it now and I'd made some more money, would I have sold? Would I be selling now? You're damn right I'd be selling now. You're damn right I'd be selling now. You're paying at a price which is 20 years into the future. So let me just make that absolutely clear. So what have I done? Am I out of pocket? Am I losing money? No, of course I've not. because you can see I'm still up dramatically because I put my money in other things. I made money from Rivian, and then I bought some more Tesla, because Tesla's a much, much bigger company, guys. So that's what I did. But Rivian is just unbelievable. You mean, if you want to put some money on it now, it's like backing a horse. And so, you know, when you people do a term, let it ride, they'll win a horse, they'll win a race, and they'll go 5 races in a row. That's what you're doing right now. You've won 4 races in a row. Okay, the Rivian chart is now showing. It's now coming through. Let me show you the chart. And what you're saying is, you're saying that it's going to win again and again and again. Well, everything that wins eventually loses. So it's up to you. This is a very, very brief video, guys. We're only going to be here until 1:15, another 9 minutes, and then we're taking a break, and we're back at midday, 12 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Eastern Time for the rest of the day. We're not taking a break. We're going to come back because we're going to reassess everything here this morning. 11 likes. If you've just joined us, smash the like button. If you're watching this video on a replay, we're talking about Rivian. Should you buy in? I'm explaining my feelings on it. You could, and of course, fear of missing out is everything. Let's say hello to everybody live. We're making a video that's going to go out later, but this is actually a live video right now. Paul, welcome to the team. Is this Rivian? Yes, we are watching Rivian. James McManus, there we go. Got your name on the screen. Mr. Steckhold, hello to you. Muzanella, one of our biggest traders, one of our biggest options traders here in the house today. Welcome, Muzanella. What's your take on this? Bill, our war veteran from Canada, how are you? And Marco Conti, good morning, everybody. Yesterday, we broke all-time records on the show. We got 50 likes. Couldn't believe it. We're a brand new channel, 50 likes. Smash the like button, subscribe, and follow us every morning for the opening and closing bell. Today is different. All the rules of trading are changing. People are getting so sucked up into this because they're seeing now that the EV market... Think of this, guys, right? When Henry Ford brought out a car, when Henry Ford brought out the first car, nobody had a car, and suddenly we had to start making cars. And they were very expensive, and one by one, people got cars. Okay? And it grew into the industry that it is today. Right now, though, what we're talking about, we are talking about the whole world has a car, and the whole world is going to get a new electric car. It's the biggest explosive opportunity in history. Okay, now people are seeing, because of COP26, they're seeing what's happening in Europe. Countries are making it law. It's not yet so big in America, but other countries now are just 2 years away from making it illegal to buy a new gas car. So everyone is going to have an electric car, whether you like it or not. It's happening. So you've got the biggest industry in the world about to explode. Everyone has got to buy another car. It's going to be ridiculous, right? But at the end of the day, right, they've got to ramp up. As Elon Musk has famously said, it's very, very difficult to ramp up. That's the hard bit. I think the stop options for Rivian is starting this morning. Could it be a game changer? Yeah, you know, guys, I love it. I'm totally in with Rivian. I've made some money on Rivian. I've traded 7 times now. I've traded 7 times. But listen, there's some very, very, very smart people watching this going, this is literally hanging over a cliff. So, have you got a parachute, all right? Because it will plummet. I mean, I'm not predicting the future. This might keep on going and going and going, but at some point it will drop. Now, that's fine. If it keeps on going, you might argue, well, buy in then. Buy in then. If it keeps on going, I'll sell it. I'll sell tomorrow. I'll sell next week. You might want to do that. You might want to do that, but it will drop really quickly. Put it this way. Amazon have 20% of this, and they have a little conversation with Ford, who have 12% of this. All right, that's 32%. They have a little conversation behind closed doors, and they say, hey guys, we've just made gazillions of dollars, right? Let's sell and then crash the stock. We'll buy it back tomorrow at a fraction of the price. What do you reckon? If that happens, and that could easily happen, Elon Musk did it a few days ago, right? That's why Tesla dropped. All these drops is because of Elon Musk selling. And that was nothing compared to what Rivian could do. Now, you could say, well, I'll sit in it, I'll keep on going. I have personally witnessed about 30 IPOs now, and I've never seen one that I've been involved with that has continued up and up and up like this without hardly any pullback. There was a bit of pullback on the day, a little bit, but that's nothing. This is exceptional. This is not the rules, okay? Now, I know it's going to be the biggest industry in the world. I know that, the potential for this. But if we have overpaid by 1,000 times what a stock's worth when they bring out the sales reports, the earnings reports, and they go, oh, we've sold 4 cars because, we've got a handful of cars now coming off the line, right? People are going to go, well, this stock isn't worth this. They'll sell it and buy it back. It'll pop back. Just don't be caught with your pants down. I'm not saying that this stock won't be $4,000 in the future. Now, you could argue, right, what if it goes up and up and up and up and up and up, and then drops? I was still better off by buying where it is today. That is an argument. That's what I am looking at this afternoon. I'm going to come back this afternoon and look at that. You may argue, sod it, I'm going to buy $164 worth of Rivian right now. All right. What the hell? Who cares? I don't care. It's overpriced, but I don't care because when it goes up to $500 a share and then it drops back to $250, I'm still up. You could argue that. You could argue that case, and that makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. But this stock, just to remind you, really is worth probably around $30 a share for what it's actually worth. Now, what if it drops to that? What if it actually drops to that? It will come back, but it won't come back as quick as this because people will be afraid now. They'll go, all right, that's okay for the people that made the money, but for the ones that hold the bag, if you end up holding the bag and you've got no money, you've bought Tesla $165 and you've got $10,000 worth of it and you've lost like $9,000, what are you going to do? You're going to lose your money? What are you going to do? So all I'm saying is trade very, very carefully. Keep your portfolio growing overall. Look at my portfolio. Remember, I built this portfolio design that I could sleep and relax and never trade again and still be up. And that's exactly what this portfolio is about. We've only got 2 minutes to go. I've got to finish this broadcast at 1:15. All right, so if everyone could quickly smash the like button and get yourself set. I've got the video already set for this afternoon. It's going to be explosive, right? If you go back to the homepage of the Day Trader, where we are right now, let me show you upcoming live streams. Let me give it to you right now. Let me show this. This is where we'll be at 12 p.m. Central Time. See it here? We'll be back at 12 p.m. Go there now and get yourself in. This is going to be a ridiculous day. I might buy this dip to demonstrate. I might buy this overinflated price to demonstrate all what I'm saying. So I'm going to drop this in the chat. Get yourself already ready in for this show. There it is in the chat. Click on that and click like and click set reminder. See what I'm doing here? Click set reminder. We've got 1 minute to go before I leave. I want you all to be in that video right at the beginning. Okay, Rivian buy. Am I going to buy Rivian today? Okay, so I want you to join me for that. Okay, guys, I'll be back with that at 12 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and get yourself all registered for that. Let's look on the app now. We've got just 1 minute to go, and I'm out of the door. I'll be back at 12 p.m. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me this morning. We are watching the most ridiculous stuff going on here this morning. I apologize for not being able to be with you when the bell goes. But circumstances this morning are not allowing, and it's not possible. But I know I'm always here, opening and closing bell. But this morning, unfortunately, due to circumstances beyond my control, I can't actually be here. So I'll be back at 12 p.m. and be with you all day. I will be watching this. I will be trading. I just won't be in front of the camera with you, unfortunately. All right, we've got just 20 seconds to go. So everyone smash the like button. If you're watching this video on the replay, this will be a video going out later. Rivian, should you buy it right now? Should you buy it, whatever the cost? Guys, you've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you for joining me. And I look forward to seeing you back at 12 p.m. Have a great day. Be safe. Be careful. Take care of yourselves and each other.